Some say love is a burning thing, that it makes a fire ring. Oh, but I know love as a fading thing, just as fickle as a feather in a string. See, honey, I saw love. You see, it came to me. It put its face up to my face so I could see. And then I saw love, a disfigure me into something I am not recognizing. See the cage had called, and I said, come on in. I will not open myself up this way again, and lay my face to the soil, and gnaw my teeth to the sand. I will not lay like this for days now upon you. You will not see me fall, nor see me struggle to stand, to be acknowledged by some touch from his gnarled hands. You see the cage had called. I said, come on in. I will not open myself up this way again. You see the moon is bright in that treetop night. I see the shadows that we cast in the cold, clean light. And my feet are gold, and my heart is white, and we race out on the desert plains all night. See, honey, I am not some broken thing. I do not lay here in the dark waiting for thee. No, my heart is gold and my feet are light, and I am racing out on the desert plains all night. So some say love is a burning thing, and that it makes the fire ring. Oh, but I know love as a Cajun thing, just a killer come to call from some awful dream. Hey, and all you folks you come to see, you just stand there in the glass looking at me. But my heart is wild and my bones are steel, and I could kill you with my bare hands if I was free.
Love these speakers. Love these amps. Denafrips Pontus II DAC. That's the next review.